So let us take one more example to convert the grammar into finite automata. So S tends to AS, B or B, A tends to A, BS or okay. Now, so what is the grammar is one? So S tends to AS or BA or B. So we have three projections in the grammar for this grammar, that is S tends to AS, S tends to BA and S tends to B. Total we have three projections here. Total three projections here. Now, so come to this A projection, A tends to AA, BS or A. So for this A also we have three projection, that is A tends to A, A tends to BS, A tends to A. Now these productions either in the form of non-terminal tends to non-terminal or terminal followed by non-terminal symbols, or non-terminal tends to terminal symbols followed by non-terminal, or non-terminal tends to single terminal symbol. Okay, now it is in the form of a right linear grammar. Why? Because what is the position of your non-terminal on the right hand side of a projection? Right side of your terminal symbol, so it is a right linear grammar. Okay, so now we are going to convert this right linear grammar into the automata. So what is the first projection? S tends to AS. So what are the non-terminals here? First define those, that is VTPS or NTPS, grammar equal VTPS or NTPS. So what are the non-terminals here? S and A are the non-terminals, and these will act as the states in your automata. And terminal symbols, that is small case letters A and B, and these are acts as the input symbols. And next we have a P, that is productions. So what are the productions? So these are the productions, and these productions acts as a delta, transitions in the automata. Now we are going to convert each and every productions into the transitions here. Okay, and S, starting symbol. What is the starting symbol here? S is the starting symbol, and that acts as the initial state in your automata. And we need to find out the final state also, that is QF. So now we need to find out that into the automata when you are converting these productions into the automata. Now let us take the first one. S tends to AS. Now it is in the rule of in the form of first rule, that is AI tends to AAJ form. We have two rules here. AI tends to AAJ or AI tends to A. Okay, now it is in the first, S tends to AS in the form of a first rule. So we have to take the S, A or the states here, non-terminal access states here. And S, starting symbol, is the initial state in your automata. Starting symbol is here S. And what is the first projection? S tends to AS, means A transition is starts from S and ending at the S only. So we have to take the loop here. Next, S tends to BA. S tends to BA. So S to A, we have to take the transition line. And what is the input symbol on that line? It is a B. So S to A, we have to take the transition line. S to A, we have to take the transition line. And what is the input symbol here? B. And next, S tends to B. Now this is in the form of a second rule, that is one non-terminal tends to single terminal symbol. So if it is in the form of A tends to A, that is the second rule, we have to take the one new non-terminal that acts as a states in the automata. But because we don't have any non-terminal here, so for that we have to take one new non-terminal, and that new non-terminal that is acts as a state in automata. Now we are taking the F, final state, new state. Now this is my new state, and this new state acts as a final state in your automata. Okay, so if you have a production in the form of second rule, we have to introduce one new state, and that new state acts as a final state here. Now we have to take the production S tends to B. Okay, So S tends to B. So from S we have to take the transition symbol B. So where it is going, new state. What is the new state here? F is the new state. Symbol is here. Okay, next. So these are the productions and these are the transitions for S non-terminal. Now come to second one. A tends to AA. A tends to AA means we have to take the A transition line between A and A only, means we have to take the loop here. A tends to AA. Okay, next A tends to BS. We have to take the transition line between A to S, and what is the symbol here? B. So A to S, and the symbol is here D. Next, A tends to A. Now it is in the form of a second rule. One non-terminal tends to single terminal symbol. So in that case, we have to introduce one new state. Already we have introduced the new state. You can use that here. Okay. So what is the new state here? F. Okay. A tends to A. So take the A terminal symbol from A, and where it is going, new state. What is the new state here? F is the new state. And what is the input symbol here? A here. Okay. Now come to this one. So what are the non-terminals? SA, those are acts as the states here. So SA acts as states, and we are taking one more new state, that is the F. So add that here. So totally how many states now we have? SAF. Okay. Now input symbols A and B. A and B are the input symbols. Sigma. Delta, and what is delta here? So S2AS, S2BA. So these are the transition lines, and this is the delta. What is the Q naught here? Initial state, starting symbol. What is the starting symbol here? S is the starting symbol. Next, QF, final state. What is the final state here? We are taking the new state, and that state acts as the final state here. S. So what is the final state here? F is the final state. Now this is the automata for this grammar. Okay.